Let's take a look at this 1971 Chevrolet Suburban, third door. Don't see these a whole lot here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Get them in from time to time. This particular vehicle, 454 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also power steering, power brakes. Now the thing about this truck, the paint went after that patina look. It's kind of a flat black, showing its age type look that they're going for. This truck will need a few TLC issues touched upon. As you can see up front, just one thing is got the blacked out look, and blinkers have been removed and running lights. So the blinkers in the front, probably something that state is going to require for titling and needs to be inspected. And then of course, as I say with any of these with the darker tint on them, it is a limousine style dark tint. Consult with your state and local laws, just what you can have as far as tint. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior undersides of this vehicle. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on aftermarket chrome wheels. Also has front disc brakes, so you do have power front disc brakes. Wheel cylinders, I believe, was noted when it went through the shop. Some suspension components. So like I said, there is a little TLC to take this one to the next level. Interior has been brought along nicely with carpeting and vinyl seats, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Also has the two benches behind the front buckets, shifter on the column. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, you can see where they went out, that blacked out look, smoked over the taillights. Again, one of the things to kind of check on if you're going to have to pass a safety inspection, if this would be legal in the state that you live in if you're viewing this video. Again, still pictures, take your time, look through it. You can see the interior. Underside, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. As you can see, barn doors in the back. And when I say a Suburban third door, you'll notice on modern day Suburbans, right there behind the driver's side door, you'd have the fourth. This has three, if you notice, on the other side. So I'm guessing they did that back in the day, maybe a little safer. Not getting out into traffic if you're parked along the right side of the road. For your passengers anyway. All right, let's take a look at this. So again, carpeting is put down in this. Vinyl seat belts up front. Get a little look in the back if you can see a little bit darker in here. There'd be your 2 rows bench seats. Another little TLC item would be the headliner is sagging. A few different spots on the interior. Now let's start this up. Good sounding, good running vehicle. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See how easily it starts. A little aftermarket touchscreen, and I have had it go to the radio. Have not had the radio working. It does power up. I'm guessing you need to either hook up speakers or do what you choose to do as far as the stereo system in it. Kind of show you how it works. Click on radio. Gonna take you to the radio. A few aftermarket gauges down below. And again, we do have technicians in the back that go through these. They are run through a checklist, and you can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email on this one. This does have the side dump exhaust in front of the rear wheels. Like I said, nice sounding vehicle. A little rumble coming out of that 454. And again, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood and get a look at that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Looking under the hood, you can tell that they've taken some time to finish this off. You have HEI ignition also. 4-barrel carb. See headers down there, some polished, some chrome pieces underneath, dressing up the engine bay. Aluminum radiator with a dual electric fan setup. Idle's nice, sounds nice. Pro comp intake. There you go. Want one to, like I said, give a little TLC to, or maybe take to the next level. These third door Suburbans are popular, no doubt about that. 1971. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call them or email.